with ham is typical Czech pub food. It's served with French fries and tartar sauce.
Potato pancakes are crispy and smell like garlic and marjoram. It is easy to prepare and very yummy. These are Czech sandwiches. They are unique in the world. In Czech, it's called chlebíčky. It's something between canapé and sandwiches. They are made of soft bread covered with potato salad and ham and egg.
So fruit dumplings, also typical Czech food, easy to prepare from cream or potato dough. It's filled with different types of fruit, like with strawberries or plums. It's covered with sugar and sweet cream. So enjoy your meal.